Hi, my name is Goh Yihan, and I'm here to answer some of SAL's questions. And here are the questions on my phone. The first question is, why did you choose academia over practice? I suppose I like the research. I like the independence of being able to do research in a flexible manner. Later on, I realized that I also like to teach. The next question is, what's the best way to get through law school? Now, I know this sounds like something your law professors will tell you routinely, but it's true. Law school is tough, but you can make it easier on yourself if you are hardworking consistently along the way. And I think that's a lesson you can also apply to practice. The biggest misconception about a life in the law. It's funny you should ask that because currently I'm watching all the reruns of The Practice. These shows portray law as a very glamorous profession. Now, obviously, I don't think that's the case. It can also be mundane. But what's true about law always is the profound impact it will have on the ordinary people. And I think as lawyers, we should therefore strive to be the best we can. All right, the best perk of being a senior counsel. I have to say, because I don't practice law, I may not enjoy some of the usual perks of being senior counsel. And in any event, I don't see this as looking at just the perks, but looking at how to pay it forward. I think being senior counsel enables me to do that, primarily in the legal education space, to motivate, to encourage and aspire the next generation of lawyers in our midst. The greatest hurdle you've had to overcome in my career. Now, academia is more international than I thought. You're competing with academics from England, from Australia, from Hong Kong, and so forth. That was a great challenge at the start, and that meant exposing myself to international conferences, participating in international discussions, and also contributing to journals, competing on the global scale. One book every law student should read. Well, being an academic, I believe in independence of thought, so I don't want to prescribe any particular book. But I will say this, the book that you should read is something outside of the law. The law is intensely connected with the real world, and in order to understand the law, you need to understand the real world. Person in the law dead or alive that you like to have dinner with, and why? I suppose it would be the great judge Lord Denning. Even as an academic, you read so many of his judgments, and I think there's a reason why his judgments dominate discussions even to this day. Okay, so I think that's all right.